So when I was in Austin a couple of months back, LeRoy and Lewis had not long opened their new bar and restaurant. And whilst I was there, I thought it would be cool to do a little tour around the restaurant so everyone who watches this channel can see it. And if you're in Austin, maybe go check it out. So this is just a brief video where Evan takes us around the restaurant, shows inside and out, and I hope you enjoy it.
Here we are at the entrance of LeRoy and Lewis restaurant and bar. Most people come in, the first thing they do is they come up to this retail counter, but we don't do any service at this retail counter. We just station people here as like a host. We've got these awesome beer fridges. People can just come in, grab whatever they need, get checked out at the retail counter over there. This place was built to be super busy. This place was built to have a nice long line. There's already people in line, so we should be selling them these beers. Love having TVs in here. We never had TVs at Cosmic. Going back further into the retail section, we've got some Chud Rubs, some Sweet Cheeks, some Snake Bite. This is only available in this restaurant right now, right here. It's not even available online anymore. So a couple sauces in-house. We have some periodicals here. It's my new headshot, baby. Back here is kind of private dining room area. We could rope this off. We could close this off if we wanted to. I love this little lounge area back here. It's fun as hell to just kind of pop down on the couch with a little drink, a little cocktail, a little appetizer snack, little chips and guac over there. Got some cool vintage neons. We're going back into the main dining room now where the barbecue line is, where the bar is, where the cool stuff is. We've got this great bar. We have an anytime eats menu up here to where you don't have to wait in line. You can order any of this stuff just from the bar or from the end of the barbecue line. Onion rings, guac and chips, cornbread, a bunch of sandwiches, a couple burgers, the famous L&L burger. Get any of that stuff without having to wait in line. The original awning from the first food truck up here, we cleaned it up a little bit, as much as we possibly could. But we had this big wall. We didn't know what we were going to put on there, and it turned out it fit the awning perfectly. Here's the barbecue line now. We start over here with cold sides, hot sides. We put buns down for burgers, tortillas down for tacos. We've got all of our meat carving over here too. You can check out at the end. I think my favorite place to sit in this whole restaurant is kind of like over there, like in that corner. You get a lot of really good light over there, and then you can also like see into the kitchen. It's really cool. And it's also like by yourself. I can sit over there by myself and not have to be bothered by anybody. Large outdoor area. Let's go see that. Yeah. All right, we've got two pit trailers out here. One houses a 1,000 gallon offset pit built by Backline Fabrication. The other one houses two Chud boxes, a Chud burn barrel, and a Chud 115. So that's the Chud trailer. This is the offset trailer. We call this pit Big Red because it's big and it's red. Everything look good? A couple beef butts. A couple flat irons down there. Oh, now. They do look good. Yeah. It's hot. Yeah. It's really hot in the other one. Nice and warm over here on the Chud trailer. My favorite thing about this entire trailer is that all the fire access, all the coal access, everything is outside. So you don't have to take coals in, you don't have to deal with anything having to do with the fire inside the pit at all. Outside access. Hot and smoky.
Whole hog on that?
Couple pig pieces. And then some lamb inside that pan. Nice and smoky in here.
Yeah. You got the 115.
115 back there. That's kind of our service pit. So we fire off sausages and burgers on that. All the long cooking stuff like you saw with the flat irons, the beef butts for chopped beef, those are on the offset pit. And then we have two direct pits. One we kind of reserved specifically for whole hog or pork pieces. The other one we do most of our chicken or quick cooking items on.
How is it now having a room the scoop coals from the
You know, the thing I liked about scooping coals from the firebox is that I feel like we harnessed all the energy that we possibly could get. So I do feel a little wasteful just burning wood to have it down to coals. Like there's a lot of energy, smoke, heat that just goes out the top. that I wish we could harness in some way. But it is nice just having all these coals. That's hot.
That's hot.
That's hot. That's hot up there too, man. Woo! It's the best new barbecue side.
Get it. Just get it. Just get it. Oh, you know the way to my heart.
Little whole grains.
I'm going to take your private dining spot. Finishing up this little private tour with the bacon rib, something I've never had. Surprise, it's delicious. Oh my god. Perfectly rendered fat, smoky, cured, bacon.